Have you got a second? Let's talk travel weather here across central Indiana. Clouds increase during the day Wednesday, but we're dry through the daylight hours. Temperatures no warmer than 35. Terre Haute to Bloomington to Seymour after 7 o'clock tomorrow night. A rain-snow mix changing to very light snow. That will be pushing toward the Ohio River and then south of the Ohio River when we get into Thanksgiving morning. As far as traveling along I-70, the closer you are to Terre Haute, the better the chance for the mix to light snow. South of Martinsville to Bedford along State Road 37, and then Columbus south to Louisville on I-65. What happens in the Northeast may have a ripple effect as far as airline travel from the nation's capital through Philadelphia, New York, Boston. Snow through the day. Some spots could see up to 8 inches of snow. Obviously, the impact there will be felt throughout the travel system through the day on Wednesday, even into early Thursday. Do you see what I see hiding there? That's at Eagle Creek Park. Alright, here's your Thanksgiving Day forecast. Can't rule out a few flurries. Temperatures no warmer than 35.